I got this from Ryobi, and the instructions are shit. They are useless. I spent 2 hours trying to get this together. I called Ryobi, they're useless. So I'm gonna show you how to put this together, lickety-split, so you can use this as a brush cutter. Here we go. First thing they tell you to do is to take this bike handle and attach it to the pole. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this piece off right here. Take this off. This thing slides up, and then the bike handle goes in like this with this silver piece. It's ridged right in the middle. Then you're gonna take this piece, slide it down, and this is where you're gonna hit your first problem, because it's really, really hard to put in. I don't know why they should have made this longer. So you gotta push it in and really, really reeve on it. Once it's going, you're all set. So this is how the bike handle should be installed. Actually, it's gonna be like this, because this is how you're gonna carry this when you're going. But for I'm putting this in, you wanna make sure that this silver piece is right under the clamp. Step one. Next step, gotta attach this piece. You gotta take this off. This has a little piece to clip in. You put this in, turn this to the side, push this button down, slide it in like you're putting together a tent pole. Come on. Locks into place, and then you can use their nifty tool, which is a pain, or a regular, screwdriver that's like that, to put it in place. If you read the instructions tell you to attach this piece, but you're not supposed to put this piece on if you're using this blade. So the instructions tell you to attach it, but I'm telling you, you have to detach it. Stupid Ryobi. Undo the screw, slide it off. You only need this if you're using a string trimmer, but you're not using the string trimmer, you're using this. Then this piece goes on right here. Take these two screws off. Of course, you're gonna tighten them fully. I didn't tighten that one completely because that would mess with the video, and you wanna get out there and brush hog or brush trim and not watch me tighten screws. And so this piece then goes on like this. Ding, ding, ding. I can't believe Ryobi has these instructions so complicated to use. Come on. Try this side first. There's one. There's the other, and it is infinitely easier if you use a regular screwdriver instead of their tool. Again, I'm not tightening it all the way. I just want you to see what to do. The last piece to do is this. I'm turning this over so you can see this. You have to take this nut off, and unlike what you're used to, which is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, this is righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Believe it or not, as strange as it is. They give you a special tool. I don't know what the hell they call it. It's like the removal tool. You can just get this, because, and all will do you, because you're gonna lose it anyway. on this piece right here, there's this hole. You're going to turn this thing until you see the locked piece. I can grab this, and then that's how you're going to tighten it. Or you have to lock this in order to take these pieces on and off. So I just took the nut off. I'm going to turn this over, show you this piece. So I have the nut off here. You're going to take this piece off, and there's this piece here. This is the washer. You're going to notice that this washer is not, it's kind of got a bevel to it. This bevel goes on like this and not like this. So then you just put this piece on, take the washer so that the bevel is facing down. And that should make sense because as you're clamping down, you want that washer to hold in place. And then you're going to put this on. Don't do what I do, which was when I first put this on, is I try to do righty-tighty, righty-tighty. Doesn't work that way. It's lefty-tighty. And on it goes. Now I have to tighten it up. In order to tighten it up, I'm going to turn it over, find that little hole, turn this thing, put this in here. What did I do? I just dropped this. Put this in here. That locks it from spinning. And then I'm just going to tighten it up. So I already forgotten did righty-tighty, and it's lefty-tighty. And that lets you tighten it in place. That's all there is. You just take this off, you're ready to go. Of course, I have to tighten all the bolts and stuff, but now you know how to put this together the correct way. Thanks. Perfect, perfect, perfect.